Lord, show me the way. Yes, sir, send me the way. Yes, sir, send me the way. Show me, Lord, show me, show me.
Welcome back to Godriven TV with your boy, LaShawn Taylor. Man, excited to be here. I know it's been a little while, but yo, I'm excited. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all a step-by-step process on how to apply Brick 600 heat transfer vinyl. Today, we're gonna be doing it on a hoodie. Without prolonging, we're gonna go ahead and get started now. Alright guys, so we in the Cricut design space. So what we gonna go ahead and do is upload our image onto the screen. Alright, so here's our image right here. The Tanksley group. So what we're gonna be doing is pressing this image right here onto an extra large hoodie. So with an extra large, with this being already at an 11th width, this should be actually just fine. Pretty decent size on here. All right. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna go ahead and hit make it. All right. And so what we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna go ahead and click the mirror button. Mirror the image. And you wanna do that, of course, since we're using heat transfer vinyl, to make sure that when we place it, that the words are the correct way. So after we hit that mirror image, remember that we're coming down on our garment about 7 inches. So when we are cutting our vinyl, we'll come down 7 inches to make sure we get the right sizing. So we'll hit continue. Set base material. We're gonna go to browse all materials. See, Brick 600 is actually pretty thick. It's a pretty thick material. So what I like to do with the Brick 600, I'll set it to cardstock, since cardstock is pretty thick paper. So we hit that. Go ahead and press done, and then our image is ready to be cut. All right. So here's our Brick 600 vinyl. I don't know if you can kind of tell in the camera, but it is much thicker than your average vinyl. So we're gonna go ahead and get the right inches cut out. This is actually a long sheet. We're gonna go ahead and get our handy dandy ruler. And remember, I said we're gonna measure out to 7 inches. So the space between here is already 12 inches. So that's gonna be the width. Now the height, which was 7 inches, is what we're measuring to cut out. All right, and 7 inches is about right here. 7 inches actually gives us a little more space to make sure that the cut doesn't mess up. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, mark 7 inches. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my paper cutter to cut it across. Here's our cut for 12 wide. Height of 7, and we're gonna go ahead and place it on the mat accordingly. All right, so we're placing it on our mats, and the way we'll be placing it is with the shiny side facing down. That is very important. You want to make sure that you get your cut right, because if you do it with the shiny side facing up, it will not come out right, because this is the side that comes up. I'm not gonna do it, but this is the side that comes up. So shiny side down, you should be looking at the dough side when you place it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this cut out. All right, here's our finished cut. You can kind of see a little outline. We're gonna go ahead and start weeding it out, getting it ready to apply this pressure. Alright, so here's our hoodie. What we're gonna go ahead and do is get all the moisture out. And all you have to do is just iron it. What we're using is our Cricut Easy Press. Take all the moisture out. We got our cut in the middle. We got our Cricut Easy Press set to 310 degrees. And we're gonna go ahead and press it. We're gonna go ahead and press it for a minimum of 20 seconds. I have a couple of minutes. You go ahead and do this cold peel. Man, I'm trying to tell ya, this 3D, this brick 600, bro, don't sleep. Don't sleep on this joint, man. This joint gives you a, I love the finish on it. The finish on it is just amazing. I'm trying to tell ya, really is amazing. Can't wait to use it for myself. But yo, guys, man, I appreciate y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you got anything from it, please do me a favor. Like, comment, subscribe. We're continuing to grow each and every day, man. I'm excited for this growth, man. I'm trying to tell you something, all right? But stay tuned.